Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's model will be a dragon. Now you may remember I taught a dragon in the past. It was really hard. Don't worry, this one is not as hard. I'm calling it the traditional dragon because it has a pretty traditional style. And yeah, I just designed it like yesterday. So without further ado, here's how to fold it. Alrighty, so I'll be using a green sheet of 10-inch paper. This is my first time doing it with color, so this should be interesting. So white side up, and we're gonna make a petal base. And so to do that, we have to fold diagonally in half. Try to be as precise as you can. Alright, now unfold and repeat on the other way. Okay, now take this point and fold it to the top. Sorry, that took a little long. And we'll do this side. Alright, so now let's unfold this and reverse fold it in. Alright, now let's do the same on this one. There we go. Now let's turn it this way, and then take this edge and fold it to this crease. So yeah, we're basically just making a petal base. Sorry, bird base, that's what I meant. Then same over here. And fold this triangle down. Unfold these, and then do a petal fold. Now repeat that on this side. Alright. And then now what you want to do is you want to make a fold from this point, and starting from this point, and it should form, these two corners should touch. Like that. So if you zoom in, then you should see that this corner lines up with this one. Alright, now let's pull out this loose paper and pull it out so that this point goes along this line. Okay, now we want to make a fold that goes from here to the center of this. Basically, these points should touch and the crease should go up to here. So we see these points touch, and we see the crease ends right here. Alright, now fold between this point and this point. And then now take this point and fold to this point. Okay, now let's make a reverse fold here. Like that, and then just reverse fold this in. look like that. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to start making the tail and the head. So let's open this up and then fold this flap up. Alright, and let's do the same with this one too. Very good. Now this will be the tail, so because it's by these flaps. So let's reverse fold it down. Actually, let's clean this up a bit. There we go. Now let's fold it down. Reverse fold it down. Sorry. Like that. And then we will reverse fold this flap. Alright, and then turn over, do the same on the other side. Okay, now what we want to do is make the wings. So let's make a mountain fold along here, and then fold it up so that this point touches this point, or it just lines up with it. Now let's turn over and do the same thing with the other one. Alright, now, yeah, let's pleat the tail. So let's open it up. Let's make a mountain fold here. And then valley fold it in. And then make maybe two more. So there's one. And there's two. And now, now if we close it back up with the valley fold, they don't want to stay. We have this, and then what you can do is you can kind of curve it upwards like that. And then now you want to open this, then take this flap and just tuck it inside. And then close it back up. And then turn over and do the same with this flap. Okay, and now let's fold this out. Hopefully you can. And then turn over and do the same with the other leg. And yes, these are legs. Now we come to the head, which is a little tricky, but it's the final step, so I think it'll be okay. So fold this down to about here. There's no real reference point, but it's about here. And now let's mountain fold this. Well, let's crimp it. And as you can see, it looks atrocious right now, but it will look better. So now let's valley fold this edge to this edge. And at the top, I want to make a squash. Sorry, my hands kind of covered that, so it just spread it out like that. And turn over. And yet again, do the same thing on this side. So yeah. Then on the top it should look like this. Now you want to take these 2 points and pull them apart. And then you want to make this middle fold, a valley fold, sorry. So it should look like that. And then what you want to do about here is you want to make a V of mountain folds. So what I just did was I did that. It's a little messy, but it's on the inside, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so let's fold it like this. And then like that. And then, oh, sorry, you want to reverse fold this up. And then open this and fold it inside about so that it reaches this point. And there you go. And that's our dragon. I hope you had fun folding that, and see you in the next video. Bye.